What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Ryan, this is Built for Performance. There's also Tony and Brandon. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. But we work on cars, and today we're going to be installing a new exhaust on the Subaru. I'm excited. I've installed so many exhausts on other people's cars, and today I'm finally doing it on my own. Thank God. Except I feel like this is going to be harder than every other car that I've done. Hopefully it's not, because it's a brand new car, so hopefully all the bolts and everything break loose easily. So I'm going to quickly go through a rundown of what I think has to happen. I believe we got to take off the top mount intercooler so that we can get to the downpipe. I bought an Invidia catback exhaust. It's the N1 dual exhaust with burnt tips. You'll see that in a second. And then I bought a downpipe. I'm not sure what downpipe that is, but I will have my editor put it right here. And I will also have her put the links down in the description below, so that if you guys like this exhaust and the setup, you can put it on your car. Again, top mount intercooler, so that you can get to the downpipe. And then basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the back of the car, work my way forward. So I'm gonna take the mufflers off, and then take the mid pipe off, and then the down pipe, undo the oxygen sensor off the mid pipe, take down pipe off, and then when I put it back on, I'm going to go from the down pipe, work my way backwards, or towards the back of the car. So then it would be, down pipe, mid pipe, every other pipe, mufflers. Hopefully there's some information here that you guys can learn from. Here's a couple videos of a cold start, which I took on my phone this morning. There's a couple revs and regular idle after it's warmed up earlier that we just took like 10 minutes ago. So let's get to it. This, which is the catback exhaust, dual exhaust. I'm going to quickly unbox it, show you guys what's in it, and then I'll pull the downpipe out. The downpipe came yesterday, so I already opened it and everything, but I'll show you guys this, and then that, and then we'll get to taking off the old exhaust. When you open it, first thing I'm pulling out is they give you a couple decals for your windows, and then the gaskets and bolts, which are going to be nice. And then this, I believe, this is the back part of the exhaust. Exhaust comes down, and then the mufflers bolt to these two parts, which you guys cannot see. Let me open it real quick and show you. Back, and it goes like this. So exhaust comes from up here, mufflers bolt to here, and then go out the car. And then this is the mid pipe, I believe. Yeah, this is the mid pipe, goes from down pipe to that piece. So there's that. I'm not gonna take it all out because that's a lot of stuff. Then here's a muffler. Obviously it goes from that Y pipe to this. These are baffles for inside the mufflers. They're baffles, so if you want it quieter, you can put these in. So I actually think I'm going to start by taking the top mount intercooler off and seeing what all I got to do there for the downpipe. I think there's a heat shield that I got to take off. and then of course the bolts that go from the downpipe to the turbo, to the back side of the turbo. So I think I'm going to start there. To take off the top mount, you got 2 bolts, a bolt on each side of it, and then you got 2 bolts in front of it that hold this rail on. But you got to take that off, and then probably the wastegate, maybe? Take that off, and then the whole thing should come off. So, and those bolts, hopefully all of them are 12s. They look all like they're a 12 mil. I didn't think about it, but you probably have to take off the boot that goes to the turbo. If you look underneath the left side of the intake boot, you'll see the turbo boot. It's red. Try loosening that up. That's what I'm going to try. Alright, so I got my dad helping. So we got the intercooler off. Well, he mostly got it off. So now we're going to look at the downpipe. I think we got to take the heat shield off and then loosen those bolts, and then we'll start from the back and work our way forward. So all the bolts on the heat shield around the downpipe, they're all 10mm bolts. So that should be easy. But there's a lot of them. A lot. Alright, so now we got the heat shield off the front. Now we're going to take the mufflers off and then work our way back. So let's get to that. WD-40 on hangers is a lifesaver. Just saying. Huh? Alright, so we got all the pipe underneath the car, and off the hangers and everything. So the last part is the downpipe. I'm going to loosen the downpipe, take that off, and we'll start putting everything on. Also, keep your O2 sensor. Don't break that. They're expensive. I didn't break it, but side note. Alright, so here's how the exhaust is laid out. You got the downpipe, then you got the mid pipe, then the Y pipe. I guess that's what you call this, a Y pipe, and then the 2 mufflers.
If there's people that does, that was 20 or 25,
so yeah. Alright, so now we're going to put the downpipe on and put the new exhaust on. Yeah.
Okay, I'll go with that.
You can look to see if it's something else, but that's typically what they are, and I made them 35. You put me on this one here.
Alright guys, so just finished putting the exhaust on. Now we're going to start it up. 1, see how it sounds. 2, check for leaks. And yeah, be awesome. forgot a couple things. One, thanks to my dad for helping me. Big shout out to him. He's pretty freaking awesome. Also, don't forget to follow our Instagram and Twitter account. It's in the description down below. Yeah.